Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a reel, how to save a reel, how to search for reels, how to delete reels, and how to get paid for reels. It's a lot, but after watching this video, you are going to be a Facebook Reels expert. Hi everybody, my name is Andrea, and this is your ultimate guide to Facebook Reels. All right, time is money, and I don't want to waste yours, so if you are looking for a specific answer about a question you had about Facebook Reels, look down below. I have timestamps marking every question, how to create a reel or how to save a reel. Go to the timestamps and you can jump right to it. Okay, let's get right into it. First, what are Facebook Reels and where are they available? Well, right now they are available only in the United States, Canada, Mexico, and India. And they are going to be opening up to more countries, so stand by if you are not in one of those countries at the moment. Facebook Reels are short vertical videos, and they are only 30 seconds long. On Instagram, you can make a reel for 60 seconds, and YouTube Shorts can also be 60 seconds as well, so these are much shorter. Now, as a marketing manager, I actually really enjoy making reels on Facebook because it's kind of the only way that you can be shown to a wider audience on Facebook. Like, our Facebook page has a pretty big following, but Facebook, doesn't put out our posts to all of our followers all of the time. Facebook Reels are, for one, searchable, and two, they're shown in your news feed and in the Reels section. Okay, how to make a reel. What I usually do is I take video on my phone, I will airdrop it to my MacBook Pro, edit it there, airdrop it back to my phone, and then put it up into Reels. You don't have to do that. You can actually edit it straight on your phone. You could either edit it, first of all, in Reels. You can edit using certain apps like iMovie or CapCut. I find CapCut to be just really simple to use. I also like iMovie too, so it's a personal preference situation. So you can edit it there, and then you're going to go into Facebook. Let me share my screen with you here, and we will make a reel. So right at the top of Facebook, you should see Reels right here at the, right underneath the what's on your mind thing. So you can click on that button. There's a couple of ways you can make a reel. First of all, you can just hit the record button and create something, or you can use your saved footage that's in your photo album. So I'm going to click on these little photo buttons right here on the bottom left hand corner of my screen. So let's say I edited this and I want this to be my reel. So now I have it right here. I can edit it by hitting this little button in the left hand corner again. So that is where you can crop things and add in more footage or speed it up or whatever. So that's cool. Let me cancel out of that right there. You can also add audio. This is really important. You can, for one, if you just want to use the audio that is like you talking in your reel, that's totally fine. That will come up as original audio. Or you can use music. So just click on this audio button and put in add music or add voiceover, whatever you want to do. I usually like music, so I'll click on that. And you can search for certain songs. This is also just a tip. You'll want to search for this before you actually make your reels. A lot of times I will search for music and save it and then make a reel that I know is going to go with that music. And then when I get to this step, then I can plug in my music from my saved music stuff. So right here, you can see that I do have some things saved, or you can search for certain topics. You can, of course, add more text, effects, captions, stickers, what have you, to make them more interactive. I would certainly encourage you to put some kind of call to action on your reel if you're doing this for your business. Maybe I want to include some text on the very tail end of it that includes our website or something like that. Just you be to the judge. Okay, so when you have this all ready, you're just going to click next and write in your description. This is where, if you are marketing a business or a brand, this is your time to shine, okay? Don't skip on this step. Write your description. Make sure that, just like any piece of content that you make, it has some kind of a hook, some kind of a call to action, because you never know how many people that this might reach. It might go viral. We don't know. And then also what you want to add are hashtags. And I will typically include hashtags that include three things. One, I'll include hashtags that are talking about my ideal viewer. So I work for a heating and air conditioning company, okay? So my ideal viewer would be like hashtag homeowner, hashtag new homeowner, something like that. I also want a hashtag about me. So I would say hashtag HVAC company, hashtag HVAC contractor, something like that. And then also a hashtag about the content itself. So I would put hashtag furnace tune-up, #furnace maintenance. That is how your content is going to be discovered more. If you keep the description and the hashtags super relevant, then your reel could be shown into a lot of your ideal viewers' news feeds. So one thing that I love to do is kind of scroll through the reels and save the ones that I think have like really good ideas, or it's an intriguing topic that I might want to make my own spin on. And so I will save them so that I can view them later. So I'm going to share my screen with you again and show you how to save reels and where to find your saved reels. So we are back in Facebook. So let's say we are watching this reel right here. You are going to click on these 3 dots right here and click on Save Reel. Now that is saved to our Reels profile. Where is our Reels profile? Well, so when you open up menu in Facebook, there are a couple of places you can find these. And I like to just go right here to my saved column. And so right now, here's a list of all of these things that I have saved. And then of course, if I want to get rid of them, I just click on the little 3 dots right here and unsave. All right, how to search reels. It's not great on Facebook right now. It's really easy to search reels on Instagram. I'll share my screen again. So on Instagram, you just click on the little search icon and you can put in hashtag whatever you're searching for. And then you can choose on Instagram, okay, with this hashtag, are you searching for reels or posts or stories, or what are you looking for? And you can click on reels that include that particular hashtag. So it's real simple. In Facebook, you can also search for that hashtag, but it's going to include all video. So not just reels, it'll just be like if somebody posted a video about hashtag kittens, reels might be included, but any video is going to be included in that. Again, it's probably something that they're going to make more like Instagram in the future, but right now it's a little clunky. It's a little clunky, but the clunkiness is kind of what makes it an opportunity. You know, the new features are always where you're gonna have an opportunity to grow on social media. So you take the good with the bad. Okay, is it possible to schedule reels? Not at the moment. Neither Facebook or Instagram allows you to schedule reels at this point. However, they do allow you to schedule stories right now through the Creator Studio or Business Suite. So I bet one day you will be able to schedule reels. However, right now, the best thing you can do is just, like I said, edit everything, upload it into your Reels section, and then just save it as a draft. And then when you're ready for it to go out, just publish it. So let's say you hate seeing reels and you want to stop seeing them when you are on your mobile phone. First of all, you're not going to see them if you're on your computer or just looking at Facebook through a browser. So that's one thing. But if you want to look at Facebook on your phone and you really don't want to see reels, let me take you through how to do that. Okay, so open up Facebook on your phone and scroll down in your news feed just a little bit, and they're going to start showing reels right here. There's, again, these 3 little buttons that are always super handy, and you can hide these. And it might take a few times, and certainly I think every time there's an update, they might come back. I do find them to be incredibly distracting, so I feel you on that, but you know, it is what it is. All right, how to get paid for reels, or how to monetize your reels on Facebook. Here we would be talking about the Facebook bonuses program, and right now the bonuses are invite only. They're open up to a select group of creators, but you know, you think that over time it's probably going to be opening up to more and more people. However, if you have a fairly large following and you want to check into it to see if maybe you could be invited into this bonuses program, I'm going to put the link right here on the screen on where to go so that you can sign up through Facebook for more information on the bonuses program. There's also a list of requirements that you have to meet. So before you do that, you want to run through that just to make sure that you're in compliance with everything that Facebook is looking for. And I want to know, what is it that you are trying to achieve with Facebook Reels today? Are you a marketing manager and you are trying to grow a brand on Facebook? Are you a business owner? Let me know down below so that I know how to make the best content for you. All right, well, if you have watched this entire video, you know more about Facebook Reels than 99% of the people on the planet. If this video is valuable for you, I hope that you give it a like and share it with anybody who wants to learn about Facebook Reels as well. I also hope that you click on my face right here and subscribe to this channel for more low-cost, no-cost marketing strategies every week. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.